So it's officially March now. I just found this couple of heat pumps over here. It's a Rheem heat pump. It's a reversing valve. It's from 2021. It's a 1.5 ton RP14. And these are still in heat mode. It's a little faded. Copeland scroll. Reversing valve under a bunch of other crap in there. I don't know what's going on. 2016, 1.5 ton. Now this thing was just running. Ow. It's a silver series. Yeah, it's making noise. Alliance scroll. 2020, 1.5 ton. I think these are all 1.5 tons. Maybe not for the Merit. Here's the Linux Merit. Oh my gosh. Yo guys, this is my first Meritcopter. Finally, let's go. Oh my gosh. Yep, 2024, 1.5 ton. ML17XP1. It's the Meritcopter official. Hopefully I can get one of these starting up. Copeland Emerson scroll, reversing valve. There's 2 Airtemps and 2 hot. Oh, one's a carrier and the other one's a Hiel. This one is a newer looking Airtemp. Copeland scroll, reversing. And these are all heat pumps. This one is a 2019 VSG 1.5 ton. I think these are all, yeah, these are all 1.5 ton. Little rounded carrier. It's a something, I don't know. Yeah, Copeland scroll. Reversing valve, small, in 2019, 1.5 ton. They're all 1.5 tons. Here's the second Airtemp, probably also from 2019. Copeland Emerson scroll. I'm not really gonna check the fan motors anymore. I don't know how this could be a 1.5 ton, maybe because the blades. This is 2022 VSG. And 2 ton, I guess. I don't know. Maybe that's the first non 1.5 ton here. This one, probably also 1.5 ton. Emerson, open scroll. This one, 2012 2 ton. Actually, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. None. Alright. Thank you for watching and over now.